Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of using Telegram channels. Let's get started. Telegram channels can help you to share news, announcements, product overviews, niche-related content, product promotions, or testimonials of satisfied customers. The content on your Telegram channel is what drives your subscribers to check out your channel and expect something that can benefit them. First, it keeps your subscribers anonymous. New visitors to your channel will not see the Telegram users who have subscribed to your channel. If you have followers on your social media accounts, your page viewers can see your followers and the users who are also on their friends list. Your subscribers on your Telegram channel can have a peace of mind that their privacy will not be invaded by random Telegram users. Everyone will see the total number of subscribers of your Telegram channel, but they cannot see the Telegram users. Next, unlimited audiences. You can grow your audience on your Telegram channel. In time, your channel can attract more people who are interested in your content. Some businesses have hundreds of thousands and millions of subscribers on their channel. Next, view the effectiveness of your content. When you have tons of subscribers, you can expect that more people can view your content on your channel. You can see how many users have seen the message that you have broadcast on your channel. For each message you share with your subscribers, you can view the eye icon, showing a number that represents the number of people who viewed this message or content. Next, create public or private channels. You can create separate channels depending on the purpose of creating the Telegram channel. You can create public channels for attracting new target audiences and promoting your brand. It is also useful for showcasing your blog content so that you can attract more viewers who are interested in blogs. Telegram users who like to read blogs can discover your channel on Telegram. Private channels can be used for companies and teams. Only your team members and employees can view important announcements from the private channel. You can also create private channels for paid subscribers. Your subscribers can look forward to subscribing to your Telegram channel so that they can receive content that is exclusive and available for premium subscribers only. Next, promote any product or service on your Telegram channel. Small business owners can promote their products or services on Telegram channels. You can upload videos that show your products, such as unboxing videos, product reviews, or share reviews from your customers. You can share any media files that support your brand, such as feedback from satisfied customers. Entice new subscribers that your brand offers products or services that provide good service to your customers. And this shows that you have loyal customers. You can invite up to 200 users from your contacts to join your channel. For administrators, you can add up to 50 administrators who can manage and handle your Telegram channel. The Telegram administrators cannot add another Telegram user to be an admin of that Telegram channel. In one Telegram account, you can create up to 10 public channels with different purposes. If you need to unlock a fresh and high-quality traffic source that 99% of your competition hasn't exploited yet, we have a marketing app that can help your business get more high-quality traffic. It's called VidScribe AI. You can automatically create subtitles in your video with any language you choose, automatically redub videos in the language of your choice, and get local language captions for your videos for higher rankings. VidScribe accepts both videos from your computer or YouTube URLs. It automatically transcribes, but you can modify and change anything you want. Automatic translation in a matter of seconds. Overlay subtitles, and modify the colors and background to your translated texts. Redub audio to match the dialogue pace to give you the best quality redub. Upload online and send it to your YouTube or Facebook accounts and enjoy your videos with subtitles. So try VidScribe now. Go to the URL vidscribe.in/sales. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Next, embed bots on your Telegram channel. Bots can help your Telegram channel edit and schedule your content. You can assign bots to be an admin of your Telegram channel. There are Telegram bots that you can use to analyze the metrics of your channel. Example bots are Channel Analytics Bot, tgstat.ru, or telemeter.me. Here are some example bots. These bots can help you get the number of subscribers, daily views of your content, number of reposts and shares, and the channel mentions.